Hi guys, my name is Samantha Tab and this is my personal introduction video for AEP 880. So just a little bit about myself. My name is Samantha Tab. I have two kids, Peyton who's 5 and Kendall who is 9, and we do have a Great Dane named Jameson who is 6, and he is the light of our lives. Professionally, I graduated from Missouri State University and obviously now I go to Fort Hays State. After I went to Missouri State University, I moved to Kansas, where I taught in USD 475 at Sites Elementary. I taught kindergarten there for 2 years. Now I live in District 40, I live in Colorado Springs, District 49. I work at Stetson Elementary. I taught first grade for 2 years, and now, whoop, whoop, I am the kindergarten and first grade e-learning teacher. So that has been interesting. I have almost 40 kids, kindergarten through first. And that has been a challenge to balance everything. Cool. All right, some hobbies that I have. I love anything sports. I love the Kansas City Chiefs. I love the St. Louis Blues. I like the Royals. I love hanging out with my friends, and I do live in Colorado, so I do love snowboarding. Some background on my family. So my last name is Tab from a married name. And my maiden name is Sheeland. We are from Germany there. And whenever we first came over to the United States, we were laborers and housekeepers. My mom's side of the family, last name is Welch. When they came over, they were laborers and teachers. Go figure. I do come from a very, very, very long line of teachers. I guess I should mention that. Special customs and traditions, just like a lot of other people in the class. Or some other people, I can't say a lot. We just celebrate the normal things like Easter, Thanksgiving, Christmas, 4th of July. We're very grateful for any day off for work, sometimes just to chill. Who am I though? You said pick 10 pictures. Well, I picked 10 categories just because I'm extra, and I literally couldn't find 10 pictures that I liked more than any other 10 pictures that I have. So I'm going to describe myself with 10 categories. So first, I'm a mom. These pictures were just taken on the first day of school. My son Peyton is in kindergarten and my daughter's in 4th grade. I'm a friend. These are my best friends, Devin and Dennis. Love them so much. I'm a cousin. My cousins Miranda, Bridget, Clarissa, and I, we all wear glasses. We call ourselves a family pack of glasses. We go on cousin trips every year. We talk to each other literally about everything. They are my people who get me through everything. The next thing is I'm a military brat. So my dad was in the military, my grandpa was in the military, and my ex-husband Josh is in the military. So I grew up all around the military, and I'm super passionate about that. I'm a teacher. I call my class the Tab Tribe. Here's a picture of me saying how much I miss my kids, and then any time that I can go to extracurriculars for my students, I do, especially hockey. Love hockey. So I did ask for permission to post this picture on here. This is my first grade friend from last year. I went to a bunch of his hockey games. I am a words of affirmation person. Anything that can make anyone feel good, I am stoked to do it. Everyone calls me their personal hype girl. I love to give compliments. Also love to receive them, but I do love to give them more than receive. I'm focused. I want to be successful. I set goals. I make plans. I'm also like a squirrel, so sometimes I get off topic and then I'm just like, oh wait, what was I supposed to be doing? And then I'm focused back on. So this one to me seems kind of like an oxymoron, but this is how people describe me, is that I am focused. Sports, love sports, anything sports. Grew up with sports, played hockey for 7 years. My dad played hockey in college and then joined the military. Like, sports are everywhere. I am a wild animal lover. I love moose so much. I grew up in Alaska and I lived there for 14 years, so moose. I love moose. But really any wild animal I am a lover of. And then last but not least, I saved the best for last. I'm passionate about relationships. This picture here is my mom, and this picture here is my dad, and then my grandparents. Over the last 7 years, I have lost all four of them. So I am passionate about loving people and building relationships and making people feel good, and just that is my number one priority in life, is to make people feel good, feel loved, feel wanted. And I do know that when all of those things are happening, that you can create a very good relationship with pretty much anybody. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it. I hope you guys have a good day.